You better run, son. They want to play. I know.
Gonna get ya.
They're gonna get ya. They're gonna get ya. They're gonna get you, Sammy. You're good. No, she wants to give you kisses. Kisses. Kisses, Sammy.
I don't know how to herd all this stuff. There's too many for me to herd.
I'm too old. How do you do this? You want one with ginger plants? I can't get them all in, hon. They're everywhere. I just can't get them all in. Why don't you keep running? Maybe they're gonna run after you.
Oops.
What happened?
Something squashed it.
Oh no, hon. I gotta check on this pup.